My name is Christian and I live in St. Petersburg, Florida, and I use CASK Construction to build my ADU. Originally, I went with a different company and it was a terrible experience for me. So I wandered the neighborhood one day and found a CASK Construction sign in front of a lot that looked really nice, so I gave him a call and Kaylin responded immediately and gave me a tour of that spot plus another one, and we decided to move forward with it. We were quoted about 8 months from the time that we broke ground to the time that we finished. And yes, we did go over a little bit, but I feel that was because as we started seeing the structure come to completion, we were changing little things here and there, which obviously pushed everything back a little bit with, timing and budgeting and, ordering stuff. We also started this process, at the height of when lumber and cement and everything were, very expensive and hard to come across. So obviously having to wait for the materials that we wanted and the correct tiles and everything like that. But Kaylin was good at updating us through email, text, and an app that they have to make sure that we, understood when things were coming, the process of everything, so it was just very smooth. We weren't kept in the dark about anything, and if he wasn't available, there's 5 other people on his team that responded immediately. The overall experience with CASK was great. I would definitely use them again. They exceeded my expectations, and they just have quality work. I've seen some other, buildings not done by them, and they're nice, but I know people who have issues with, little things, a year later, and it doesn't look like that's going to be here. I mean, everything was done quality and it's built solid, and, they've reaffirmed us that if the slightest thing happens or if something breaks or whatever, to give them a call and they'll come out and take care of it. So that's reassuring to know that, they're not just taking our money and leaving. They're going to stick around and, want to own up to, any mistakes that they make. So, that's really awesome to hear from, companies these days.